The TOEFL exam is conducted by the Educational Testing Services (ETS). The TOEFL test is computer-based and is also known as the TOEFL IBT. A paper-based test is another version of the TOEFL that is conducted in locations without an internet connection. After you take your TOEFL test, your result will be available in your ETS account. How soon you will be able to see your test results on the ETS websites depend on the mode in which you gave the TOEFL. If you took the TOEFL test at the test center, you will receive your result within 4 to 8 days after your test date. The same applies to the TOEFL IBT Home Edition. As for the TOEFL IBT Paper Edition, you will receive the result 11 to 13 days after your test date. You will be intimated about the availability of the TOEFL IBT Home Edition result in your registered email account. Step-by-step process to download your TOEFL result online. Log into the TOEFL website with your username and password. On successful login, your total score in TOEFL and section-wise scores will be displayed on the screen. TOEFL IBT score result in PDF form are typically available for download within 2 days after you receive an email with your TOEFL score. Download the TOEFL scorecard once it is available. You may wish to download and print the PDF copy of your score report. The PDF format of the TOEFL score report will be available to download 2 days after you receive your score in your ETS account. Your TOEFL score report will also include My Best Score, which will help you highlight your overall performance in the TOEFL test. In case you want a paper copy of your TOEFL test report, you must make a request for the same before you take the test. The score report will be mailed to you within 11 to 15 days after your test date. Your scores are available for 2 years. How to send your TOEFL result to institutions? At the time of registration, you can choose up to 4 destinations, institution or agency, to send the TOEFL result in PDF format. After the test, you can request additional score reports on the payment of $20 per institution or agency. Requests for additional score reports can be made through TOEFL result login from your ETS account by mail and by fax. For more details, click on the link available on the description box below.